What do you mean this shirt makes me look fat? Hello, welcome to the Compulsive Investor channel. On this video, we're going to talk about what is an infinite return? That's right, we're going to answer two questions. First of all, who can create an infinite return? And secondly, what is an infinite return? So first of all, the who is you. Yes, anyone can create an infinite return. You just need to find the right deal, and you need a business system to make that deal work. Please check out my video here on business systems. Now, what is an infinite return? Well, we're going to take a look at an example. Let's keep the numbers simple so it's easier to understand. You purchase a property for $20,000. Your rehab costs $4,000. So your total investment is $24,000. This property rents for $1,000 a month. Now you need to take out your taxes, insurance, maintenance and repairs, capital expenses for future, utilities, tenant turnover costs. I like to estimate about 50% of that. You take 50% away and you end up with $500 a month cash flow on this property. Now you multiply that by 12 months out of the year, and then multiply that figure by 4 years, and look at this. You have now taken $24,000 out of this property. So you have gotten your initial investment back in your pocket or off toward another property. So at this point, you have created what is called an infinite return, and your property is continuing to pay you $500 a month. And you can even take your money out faster by leveraging this property. Let's say you buy under market and you rehab the property, you get a tenant in there, and then you refinanced it. Let's say the appraiser comes in and says that property is worth $60,000. And you're going to want to leverage about 60% of that total value of the property. And then you're going to take away a couple thousand for expenses. And you're left with $34,000 cash that your lender is going to give you for that property. You take that money out and you put it toward another property. Rinse and repeat. And you've also created about $10,000 in sweat equity if you've done that rehab yourself. Contractors, though, will eat that money up quickly, but the property will still be an infinite return because it will continue to pay you on a monthly basis that $500. And your tenant is paying your mortgage. This is called the BRRRR strategy. Buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. You take your money out of that property and you put it toward the next one. You keep using the same money over and over to buy property after property after property. Now each time you refinance, your cash flow is going to go down because you have to pay that mortgage, or rather your tenant has to pay that mortgage. But each property you buy, you're getting another 200 or 300 or so cash flow. And the more properties you buy, the more your income goes up. Imagine that. You can give yourself a raise just by buying another asset. Imagine going into your boss knowing beyond the shadow of a doubt that when you ask for a raise, he's going to give it to you because you are your own boss. And this will eventually lead to financial freedom. Now, this income that you're creating here is also mostly tax-free. Watch my other video right here that explains why. But in a nutshell, the people who write the tax laws own real estate. So they make the rules to benefit themselves, their own investments. So don't get mad, don't get depressed about it. Just join the party and play by the rules. If you've gotten anything from this video, please hit the like button down below and subscribe too so you won't miss out on any future tips. This is Kevin with the Compulsive Investor channel.